Welcome to Loading Calendar Booking Portal tutorial. You will learn how to create your own unique booking portal link with customized branding that your carriers can use to book loading times and manage their upcoming reservations. First, choose the company logo and adjust colors to match your branding. Now, activate your booking portal. Copy your personal link and send it to carriers. Let's see how it looks on the carrier side. We first ask them to verify the email address, so you can be sure who really is booking reservations to your calendar. After logging in via link sent to their email, they can see all the loading times associated with this email address. Carriers can see reservation details and make changes. For example, change time when something unexpected happens, or add truck registration plate info. Creating new reservations is easy. Choose warehouse, loading duration, and date. Free times will be offered automatically by Loading Calendar. Add additional details such as reference, goods info, and truck driver phone number. Well done! Now you are ready to create your very own Loading Calendar booking portal.